Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to create a calling card on your iOS 17. So once you want more than your name to display on someone's phones, when they call, you have to open your phone gallery, then select My Card, and here click on Edit. And now mark Edit one more time, click on Customize, and you can smoothly customize poster at first. So here you can change the fonts, also the color. Maybe like this. And then change the poster color and click on Done. So from now on it looks like this. Tap on Continue then. And now you can smoothly change the photo. So you can either click on Continue or choose a different photo. You can also skip this option, but I would like to pick some memoji, for example this one. Just strike a pose, tap on Next, click on Choose, select the background, Next again, and tap on Done. So that's it, we just customize it. Here it is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.